The Supreme Court has given major relief to students detained during the recent NEET paper leak protest, directing authorities to immediately release all the arrested or detained students who have no previous criminal record. The top court also ordered that no coercive action should be taken against protesters who were booked only in connection with the demonstrations and do not have any criminal background. Well, the order was passed today while hearing a batch of petitions alleging police excesses during protest led by the Cockroach Janata Party over alleged irregularities in the NEET UG examination. The protest, which began at Delhi's Jantar Mantar, later spread to several states including Bihar, Madhya Pradesh and other regions. A bench headed by Chief Justice of India Surya Kant along with Justices Joy Malia Bagchi and V. Mohana observed that the allegations raise serious concerns related to fundamental rights under Articles 19 and 21 of the Constitution, which protect freedom of speech, peaceful assembly, and the right to life and personal liberty. The petitioners told the court that students were peacefully protesting against the alleged NEET paper leak but faced excessive action from law enforcement agencies. They alleged that police used measures including lathi charges, pellet guns, tear gas, and other force in order to control the protest. The Supreme Court recorded several allegations placed before it by the petitioners, including claims that pellet guns were used, causing injuries to young protesters, with one student allegedly losing vision in one eye. The petitions also alleged that the use of rubber bullets, electric batons, and lathis fitted with nails, which reportedly caused serious injuries. However, the court clarified that it has not made any final observations on all these allegations and they remain part of the ongoing judicial proceedings. And during the hearing, the Supreme Court said that the allegations of police excesses appeared serious enough to require a fair and independent investigation. The court indicated that high-powered committee may be constituted in order to examine the incidents and ensure a transparent probe. The apex court also issued notices to several state governments including Delhi, Maharashtra, Bihar, Assam, West Bengal, UP and Kerala, seeking their responses regarding the allegations of violence and police action during the protest. And in order to protect crucial evidence, the Supreme Court directed authorities to preserve all the available records that was related to the demonstrations. And this includes CCTV footage, drone recordings, body camera footage, wireless communication records, and PCR call details. The court also directed that the personal information and digital data of protesters collected by police should not be made public. The bench further ordered that all the detained minors below the age of 18 who were arrested during the protest should be released immediately. However, the court clarified that the relief would not apply to individuals with prior criminal records, and the court also noted that the government's argument that some individuals with criminal intentions may have entered the protest and caused injuries to police personnel. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta presented the government side during the hearing, and the Supreme Court stressed that protests are an essential part of democracy but said that a proper mechanism is needed in order to handle such situations while protecting both the public order and citizens' constitutional rights. Well, the court's interim directions provide significant relief to students who had been facing legal action after participating in the NEET protest, and the matter will be heard further next week when the government responses and additional details of the alleged incidents are expected to be examined. The Supreme Court's order has brought temporary relief to protesters while the larger questions surrounding the alleged NEET irregularities, police response and accountability during demonstrations remain under judicial consideration. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.